Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Adobe Sign for signing from the USA step by step clearly. To authenticate with Adobe Sign for signing from the USA, start by visiting the Adobe Sign website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. You will receive an email with a verification link. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Adobe Sign. Click on the link in the email to verify your identity. Once verified, you will be redirected back to the Adobe Sign website. Now, enter your password in the password field. Click the Sign In button to access your Adobe Sign account. If prompted, set up two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once logged in, navigate to the Home tab on the dashboard. To initiate a signing process, click on Send for signature. Upload the document you wish to send for signing. Fill in the required fields, including the signer's email address. Choose the signing options and set any deadlines if necessary. Before sending, review all details to ensure accuracy. Click the Send button to deliver the document to the signer. The signer will receive an email invitation to sign the document. They will follow a similar authentication process to validate their identity. Once signed, you will be notified via email of the completion. You can then download or save the signed document directly from your account. Check the Documents tab to manage all your signed documents. This completes the authentication and signing process with Adobe Sign from the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.